Hi everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change the favicon in Vtiger CRM. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of customizing your CRM with your company's branding by replacing the default favicon. Let's get started. The first step is to create your favicon image. Remember, your favicon must be in ICO format for it to work with Vtiger CRM. Next, log into your server where Vtiger CRM is hosted. You'll need access to the root directory of your CRM files. Once you're in the Vtiger CRM directory, navigate to the following path. Layouts, V7. Skins. Images. Here you'll find the default favicon file named favicon ito.ci. This is the file you'll replace with your custom favicon. You can replace the image or rename it. Let's try to rename it. You can rename the original favicon file to something else, and then add your newly created icon with the name favicon.ico to replace the old one. Copy the newly created icon and go to the same path. Paste the icon. To see the changes, clear your browser cache by refreshing the page using a hard refresh. Once done, reload your Vtiger CRM, and your custom favicon should now appear in the Browser tab. If you have any doubts regarding Vtiger CRM, contact us. Thank you for watching.